Hey folks, just wanted to share this with you really quick. I've decided to install a tuner, and I went ahead and bought a tuner from a company called EJK. And unfortunately, after I installed it, the bike wouldn't start, or it starts and dies right away. And so I called technical support. They were very helpful. They were able to mail me a replacement immediately. Unfortunately, after installing the replacement, the bike still wouldn't start. So let me show you what happens. You see, it starts and dies right away. Let's try one more time. 9 out of 10 times this will happen. Now, just to prove that the bike starts perfectly fine without the tuner, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the tuner and start it again. There you go, I've disconnected the tuner. And let's see what happens. There you go, folks. It's going to start every time. So, please share your thoughts and comments. Thank you very much.